Thinking about switching to PureTalk's eSIM in 2025, it sounds super convenient, no physical SIM, fast activation, and lower costs. But does it really deliver or are there hidden issues? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. PureTalk is a budget-friendly wireless provider that runs on AT&T's network. They now offer eSIM, which means you can activate your plan digitally without waiting for a SIM card in the email. The company's eSIM feature is getting attention for how simple it is to use, especially if you're tech savvy or switching phones. According to their official website or blog, setup only takes a few minutes and there's no extra fee compared to getting a physical SIM. As for feedback, PureTalk has received mixed reviews online. Some users say they've saved money, had decent coverage, and appreciated the US based customer service, but others mention spotty signals in rural areas and customer support delays when dealing with billing or account issues. Unfortunately, there's no Trustpilot rating specifically listed for PureTalk's eSIM experience. Most reviews available are about the company overall, not the eSIM feature directly. If you're looking for a cheaper wireless plan and want to skip the hassle of a SIM card, Pure Talks eSIM might be a solid pick. Just keep in mind that experiences can vary depending on your location and expectations. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.